The business world is constantly evolving, throwing us into uncharted waters with no obvious route. But what if you could transform uncertainty into your greatest advantage? Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, founder of RAD Strategic Partners and your partner for radical success. Here's what might surprise you. The most successful leaders don't avoid uncertainty, they navigate it with confidence. While 29% of businesses say uncertainty is crushing them, others are using it to grow. Today, we're talking about your inner compass and how to find your North Star in any storm. The leaders thriving in chaos have developed what I call an inner compass. It has three components. First, core values as your North Star. When everything's shifting, your values stay constant. They're your decision-making foundation. Second, business intuition. Before you roll your eyes, listen to this. 85% of CEOs use gut feelings to make decisions. Harvard research proves intuition works when stakes are high and data won't help. Your intuition isn't mystical, it's rapid pattern recognition. Your brain processing years of experience faster than conscious thought. Third, your risk appetite. Know your tolerance for uncertainty, and this helps you make bold but smart moves. And this isn't about abandoning analysis, it's about combining gut instinct with hard data to make decisions pure logic misses. So let me tell you about Marcus, a manufacturing company owner. The pandemic hits and it disrupts everything. Instead of panic, he used his compass. Core value, exceptional customer service. Intuition, flexibility beats efficiency now. He shifted from making products to solving problems, partnered with competitors, made fast decisions with incomplete information, and the result, 40% growth while others waited for certainty. And that is the power of having your compass calibrated. And this is where my Radical Edge framework saves you. Elevate, see possibilities others miss. Drive, stay focused while staying flexible. Grow, build the relationships that help you navigate the storms, and execute. Act with confidence even with incomplete information. The companies leading their industries right now, they're not the ones with perfect plans. They're the ones with clear direction and the courage to move. Here's what I know after 18 years of coaching. Uncertainty is not going away. New tech, market shifts, unexpected challenges, well, they're all coming. But with a calibrated inner compass, these become opportunities, not threats. Your compass already exists. Your values, intuition, resilience, they're there. You just need to trust them. I've created the Business Owner's Guide to Navigating Tough Decisions. Download it free in the description. Or schedule a Radical Success session to calibrate your compass together. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a leader who needs their North Star. Remember, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for radical success. And radical success means finding your North Star in any storm. Your compass is waiting. Let's use it.